In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Fiverr account permanently. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can close your account with confidence. Before we begin, a quick note. If you have active orders, open disputes, or remaining funds, resolve those first. Deactivation may be blocked until everything is cleared, and you won't want to leave money behind. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr and hit enter. Click the official Fiverr website in the results to go straight to the home page. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to remove. Once you're on Fiverr and signed in, look to the upper right corner of the page for your profile avatar. Click it to open the account menu. From that drop-down, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the core settings area where you manage your profile and preferences. Inside Settings, select the Personal Information section. This is where Fiverr keeps your basic account details, and it's also where the deactivation option lives. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Account Deactivation. This is the control you'll use to remove your account from the platform. Before continuing, take a moment to double-check that you've downloaded any invoices or important messages you want to keep. Once you proceed, your profile, gigs, and public presence will no longer be available on Fiverr. In the Account Deactivation area, you'll be asked to choose a reason. Click the drop-down and select the option that best matches why you're leaving. This helps Fiverr understand your experience, but it doesn't change the outcome. You'll also see an optional text box where you can share more details. If you want to provide feedback, type a brief note. If not, you can leave it blank. This step is completely optional. When you're ready, click Deactivate your account. You may see a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully so you understand that this action removes your profile from the platform. Confirm to proceed. You should see a confirmation message indicating the account has been deactivated. After this, you won't appear in search. Your gigs will be paused, and your profile will no longer be visible. If you plan to return later, keep in mind that reactivation may require additional steps and isn't guaranteed, so be sure this is what you want. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll successfully delete your Fiverr account permanently.